Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be taking you all through a really fun, quick workout today. So no, we're not going to be baking a dessert. We're not going to be making anything vegan and healthy. Today we'll be doing a quick, fun workout. I'm going to be showing you all a quick 10-minute workout. We're going to go through 3 exercises and you guys are going to repeat it on your own time thrice. But together we're going to do it once. We're going to start with a warm-up and end with a quick cool down. So let's get started with our warm-up. You're going to bring your feet out nice and wide, hands on your knees, and we're going to shift side to side, just like that, pushing your body weight entirely to one side and then the other. Make sure that when you're going down to one side, your knees not crossing over your ankle or your toes. You want to try and push your hips back instead of letting your knees go forward. Give me another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, slowly bring your feet together. Next up, we're going to do some knee hugs. You want to interlace your fingers, draw one knee up towards your chest and drop it down. Switch, draw the knee up towards your chest, drop it down. Switch, up and switch, draw the knee up and switch. 2 more. Let's go up and switch. Last one, up and switch. Relax. Last exercise in our warm-up. Left hand goes up, right hand grabs your right foot and drop it down. Switch sides. Arm goes up, grab the foot and down. Keep a little bend in your knees. Don't lock your knees out, just to protect that joint, protect your knee joints, and to facilitate a faster full body warm-up. And rest. Alright, we're going to get started with our set now. Alright, so the first exercise I'm going to show you guys today is going to be a squat, and we're going to add 2 variations to it. One's going to be an intermediate advancement and one's going to be an advanced advancement. Alright, so first just regular squats. Bring your feet out slightly wider than your hips. You're going to push your hips back, come up, squeeze the glutes, back, come up, squeeze the glutes. That's it. Super simple, and you want to practice this for 1 minute. Now the intermediate advancement here is a squat jump, stand, repeat, jump, stand, repeat, jump, stand. And the advanced advancement to this is going to be non-stop squat jumps without taking that pause. Make sure your knees are not crossing over your toes even while you're doing this faster movement. Control the movement using your abs, using your glutes. Swing the arms, keep your chest up. Don't let your torso swing too much with the movement. Try to control it as much as you can with your legs. Nice soft steps each time you land, and rest. Alright, second exercise, we're going to do lunges, and again I'll be showing you 2 variations along with the movement. So to get started, hands on your hips, or make a fist for a slightly easier version. You're just going to step forward and back, forward and back, forward. Eye gaze up, squeeze the glutes, little bend in the knees to protect the joints. And the advancement now, you're going to come to the center, make a fist, or again hands on your hips, hop, hop, lunge, hop, lunge, hop, lunge, hop, lunge. And the advanced advancement, we're going to swing our arms and lunge, 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 lunge. Take this movement at your own pace. You can always scale it down or slow it down. Practice it for 1 minute and a quick rest. Alright, third and final exercise in the set, we're going to do a shuffle, doing it 3 ways like the other exercises. You want to come to one side of your mat, get into that same squat, but you can stay a little higher. You don't need to get as low as you would in the squat. So hips are slightly higher than your knees. And from here, you're just going to give me a step shuffle, stand, down, step shuffle, stand, down, shuffle, stand, down. So each time you stand, squeeze the glutes, down, shuffle, stand, down, advancement, stay low, shuffle, 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 advanced advancement, shuffle, tap the floor, shuffle, tap the floor, shuffle, tap the floor. So it's not this. You're moving your entire body weight side to side each time you're doing the movement. Keep your torso nice and high. Don't bend forward too much and practice it for 1 minute. You can take around 15 to 30 seconds of rest in between each exercise. I would say keep the same amount of rest between sets as well and do everything 3 times. We're going to end with a cool down, which you can do once you're done with your entire workout. Alright, so for the cool down, hands are going to be on the hips. We're going to take a big lunge, drop the back knee down, just hold it for 3, 2 and 1. Left arm comes up, bend towards the right because my right leg is forward, hold 3, 2 and 1. Now slightly advanced stretch. You're going to turn around, keep your right hand on your right knee, grab the foot and look forward, hold 3, 2 and 1. Switching legs, bring the other leg forward. We're just going to hold again for 3, 2 and 1. Right arm comes up this time, bend to the side, hold 3, 2 and 1. Left hand on your left knee, turn around, roll your body weight forward slightly to grab that foot, push the heel into your glute, look up straight, don't arch your back, shoulders relaxed, hold 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Alright, so that was a super quick workout. Hope you guys had fun. Make sure that you do 3 sets of everything. Make sure you choose the correct variation, correct advancement for you and for your fitness level. I can't wait to bring you guys more content like this. I hope you guys do this workout. Let me know what you think and don't forget to like and subscribe.